What is the 6 Minute a Day Welsh Speaker course? Why did we build it? And who is it for? You might have heard that we've been doing insanely intensive 5 and 10 day residential courses for the last year or so. We call them our brain shock courses because they put your brain under a truly remarkable amount of pressure. And because of that, they get staggering results, genuinely breathtaking stuff. Not many people can do a brain shock intensive though. They take a serious time commitment. 5 days is tough for most people and 10 days is out of reach of all but a few. And at £200 a day, they're hard to afford as well, weighing in at £1,000 for 5 days or £2,000 for 10. And we can only take 4 people on each brain shock course, and we usually only run one course each month. But we've always wanted to help as many people as possible become Welsh speakers, and we're pretty excited about the brain shock results because they are genuinely transformative. So that is what the 6 Minute a Day Welsh Speaker course is. It's our attempt to find a less expensive and much less time-consuming way to get as many of our learners as possible through as much as possible of what we cover in a 10-day, £2,000 brain shock course. And most importantly, to get you the same breathtaking results. Who is it for? You have to be willing to put in 2 to 4 hours a month, so 30 to 60 minutes a week or about 6 minutes a day. But you can take a break whenever you feel like it, or just go more slowly for a while, or even speed up sometimes. It doesn't matter when you put the time in. You can aim for exactly 6 minutes a day, or do a couple of longer sessions at the weekend, or a mixture. And you can chop and change as much as you want as long as you get the time in. You should be a beginner or an early intermediate learner. If you've already finished level 1 of Say Something in Welsh and started having conversations, you've already done most of the important stuff. We're planning to build a Jump In at the Deep End course for you later on though, so hang on in there, help is on the way. If you're a beginner or early intermediate, and if you're willing to put 2 to 4 hours in each month, then the 6 Minute a Day Welsh Speaker course has been specifically designed to turn you into a confident Welsh speaker. And that's not just hot air. We're so excited by the results we've seen that we've decided to be the first Welsh course that we know of to offer a full, unconditional guarantee. If this course does not turn you into a confident Welsh speaker, you just let us know and we'll refund you immediately and 100%. Either you become a confident Welsh speaker and you choose whether you have or not, or you don't pay a penny. So here's what happens when you sign up for the Say Something in Welsh 6 Minute a Day Welsh Speaker course. First, you get a welcome email that explains a bit more about how it all fits together. Then each Monday you get an email with a set of tasks for that week, which will never take you more than 1 hour over the course of the week. You can do about 6 minutes a day or choose a couple of evenings or the weekend to do it in larger chunks. You'll be given full access to all the materials you need. There are no hidden extra costs here. You'll also be given access to a private community where you can get help at any time and where you'll find out how incredibly supportive your fellow learners are. And every day of the week you'll be able to join in with 2 class activities online. A group question and answer Google Hangout, where you can put your questions to a live tutor either by text or via video, and a group practice speaking session. You'll probably just be listening for the first few months, but we'll nudge you into being brave enough to take part when you're ready. This is an optional extra. You'll find it remarkably valuable as you get towards the end of the course, but if you only want to take part once a month at first, or even less, that's fine too. You can also ask for extra help at any time, either on our enormously friendly forum or via email. And if you complete the tasks we set you, which will never take more than 4 hours a month, you will become a functional Welsh speaker. It varies from person to person, of course, but in about 6 months you'll be impressing your friends by saying some pretty complex sentences. In about a year you'll be having your first real conversations. In 18 months or so you'll be starting to get the gist of stuff on the radio, and in 2 years you'll be having confident conversations. You won't think of yourself as fluent, learners almost never do, but you'll look fluent to your friends and you'll know that you're capable of real conversations in Welsh. And remember, we guarantee that. Either you agree you've become a Welsh speaker by the end of the course, or you tell us that you haven't achieved what you wanted. We won't ask questions, we won't drag our heels, we'll just refund you immediately. And naturally, you can choose to stop the course and cancel your monthly payments at any time. For a full overview of what the course involves and to see how much it costs, don't worry, it's not as painful as the £2,000 for the 10-day courses, because we don't have to pay for any accommodation with this approach. Just click on the link in the description below or go to www.saysomethingin.com/6min.